Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now here I am in the kitchen making some breakfast, so come on with me guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I'll be in and out of the video. So this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is being hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle. I also have a main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. It's also being hosted by Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Remember that this is an open collaboration, which means I am personally inviting you to join in. There's nothing that you have to do other than make whatever it is that you like eating, and then just make the video. Use the hashtag Quick and Easy Meals, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. It's a great way to meet other content creators that do any kind of cooking, indoor or outdoor. Now, just as an example, I went ahead and made not that long ago quick oats or overnight oats, and that was absolutely amazing. Sometimes I'll come on and I'll even make a bulletproof coffee or a smoothie. So whatever it is that you like to make, breakfast, lunch, dinner, desserts, there's all kinds of stuff that we snack on all day. So show us what it is that you love to have or snack on, and yeah, show it to us in a video. I can't wait to see it. Okay, so these last couple of days, I have to admit, have been pretty rough. So it's very important that we eat our first meal, should be something that should sustain us. And so I am making breakfast once again. This time I'm making breakfast for my son. Did I make breakfast last time for him? Yes, I'm always making breakfast for my son. So we're making eggs. We're making eggs with cheese, bacon, some toast, and just your basic stuff. So I'm just showing you how I make it. getting ready now to start serving stuff up so that I can take you over to the reveal so you can see how yummy this looks. So I am all set with this breakfast. So before I take it over to my son, let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank Jean Home Decor and More and Deborah Cabasa Home Living for hosting this collaboration with me. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one.